Hey there, Deborah Donaldson here, and in today's video I'm going to be covering how to create a landing page or opt-in page using Groove Pages or GrooveFunnels. This is a totally free software. I'm going to be going through step by step. This training is for people who are beginners or just learning how to create landing pages. So if you are new to my channel, Success with Deborah D, make sure you click that notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Typically, I upload new videos on Monday and sometimes on Thursday. So let's get started. Okay, so as I said in my introduction, today I'm going to be covering a software called GrooveFunnels. Now, this is a funnel builder, website builder software, and right now they've got where you can get a free account, and with the free account you can build 3 full websites. And this is great for people who are just starting out with their online business. Say you don't have a lot of free resources to invest in a monthly paid program. There are other software builders out there. You can pay up to, I know Clickfunnels is $97 a month for their basic plan. If you have a website or you're a blogger, I know Thrive Themes has an excellent landing page builder, which I covered in another video. But with GrooveFunnels, you can create up to 3 funnels completely free, and it's free for life. Even on the sign up, they don't ask for a credit card. So I just want to go through and show you the website and kind of take you through the process, and then I'm going to show you how to create a landing page step by step. I'm not a technical wizard, and you don't need to be a technical wizard to make good use of this software. So as you can see here, you get your website builder. You can create up to 3 full websites. You get access to all of these other softwares. Now, I'm not going to be going through these in this video today, but you do get access to all of these, and you get free lifetime access to Groove Pages and GrooveSell. So even on the sign up page, they don't ask you for your credit card. It's a full funnel building platform. And for right now, they've got a free plan where you get your free, you can get 3 funnels for free, lifetime access, and like I said, no credit card required. So if you click to get started, it's going to take you to this page here where you're going to put in your name and last name, your email, username. You're going to create a password and then get free access. And you can see here there's no credit card. They don't ask for any credit card. You get to custom domains. You can sell products, upsells, downsells. You can make a full funnel with this, and free account for life. So the only need to upgrade is if you decided that you wanted to have more than 3 funnels, or through the sharing program, if you already had 3 funnels and you wanted to import another funnel, then you would need to upgrade. But for right now, for this video, I'm just going to show you the free account with the 3 funnels. So there's lots of happy customers, and you get all that there. So once you create your account, you're going to get to a page like this. And the other thing with GrooveFunnels is if you are new to online marketing and say affiliate marketing, the affiliate program is free to join, and you can share GrooveFunnels yourself and make up to 40% recurring commissions. So not only do you get to create 3 funnels for free, but you can also join their affiliate program and start making a side income. So like I said, for people just starting out, this is a great, affiliate marketing is a great way to go. You're not having to create your own product or host your own product or deal with customer service and all of that kind of stuff. Is you can promote someone else's product, and when a sale is made, then you are paid a commission. This does not make it more expensive to the person that purchased. It's just that you are paid a commission if someone signs up and joins under your link and they upgrade to the paid program. So there's no commission, of course, on the free program because no one's paying any money. So the thing would be is if someone upgrades, then at that point you would be paid a commission. So here's the basic thing. We're going to go to Groove Pages here. And as you can see, I have got a couple of shared funnels here, and this is a free account, and I can create one more site before I would have to upgrade to Pro if I wanted to create another site. So today I'm just going to be creating a landing page, and I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to create it. So here you are. If you just joined, then this is going to say 3 sites, and you're not going to have these other pages. If you do join under my link, I will give you access to one of these funnels here completely free. You can import it and get started with your GrooveFunnels account right away with having something already built that you just need to make a few edits and comments. So both of these funnels will be given as a bonus to anybody that signs up under my link. So in order to create a free site, what you're going to do here is you're going to, on the right hand side, you're going to click on this button that says New Site. And it's going to pull up all these pages. So what you can do is you can start completely from scratch, just a blank template, or you can use one of their free templates. So if I go to tags and I click on free, because I don't want to have to pay for any of these landing pages, it will pull up all of the free templates that I can use. So as you can see here, if you've got a webinar, you can do webinar registration, order confirmation, an upsell, video, a sales letter, simple landing pages, ebook landing page, templates, free websites. And then once you start getting here, there's a business and finance page. There's quite a few pages here that are for free. So these are some other businesses. And let's see here. I want to choose, what do I want to choose? I want something fairly easy. Let's do, if you want to preview something, then you would just click on the preview button and it will show you what this looks like on a full screen. So once this loads here, we'll decide if we want to use this one, and I will take you through how to modify this book template. So now a lot of people use ebooks as a lead magnet, so that's a way to get email addresses onto your list. So you would put in your image there. You can have a discussion on what's included in the book, all of this stuff here, and what readers are saying. So this is a pretty big site here. So let's close out of this. I want to do just an opt-in page. You can do that here. So let's go back, and I'm going to select the ebook one, and I'm going to call this demo 1. Start building. Okay. So when I looked at the preview of this page, there was actually a lot of stuff on there that I don't think I need for just a straight opt-in funnel. So I am going to be deleting a bunch of these pages here. Okay, as you can see on this page, there are a number of different elements. So you've got your title for the book, you've got your image for the book. All of these boxes here outline the different sections of the page. So I don't actually want this part here. So if I click on it, you can see that you get this page here, which would just basically duplicate whatever's that box is. You can trash it, and with these 4 arrows over here, you can move it. So I don't want this part here, so I'm going to trash it, confirm, and actually all this stuff here I don't really want, because I want this to be my basic opt-in page. So I'm going to get rid of the container, and a container is where you would drag and drop your images or your text, so I don't need that. Confirm, and then I think there's this whole thing here. I don't need that whole box. Let's get rid of that. So you can see here it's super easy to get rid of different sections. Let's get rid of that. And we're almost done here. We don't need this whole section here, so we'll get rid of that as well. And then we should be pretty close. Wow, okay, so this is kind of a big site. So I'm just going to worry about this part here. So the thing with Groove Pages that makes it so cool is once you're on a box, you can change whatever it says by clicking in the box. You can change whether or not it's bolded or underlined. Whatever's you have highlighted at that point is going to have the text changes done to it. You can change the size over here on the right. You can change the font size over here if you want it smaller or bigger. There we go. And then you can change the text, whatever you want to say. This is a great book. Get your free copy now. So you can see how easy it is to change the text. Whenever you've made changes that you like, you want to make sure you save it. And if you want to see what it looks like, then you can click on this eyeball here and it'll give you a preview. If you don't like the changes that you've made, you just click this back arrow and it will take it excuse me, take it back one step. And then once you're done editing, then you would just click this publish button. So when you get to the button, you want to connect it up or configure it. You would go over here to the right. So this is where most of the editing sections are. You would say you want to configure it. You want to link it to wherever your book is. So you would say link to a page, and you want it to open in a new tab, and you would put your URL to your page there. Or you could say, well, here we go, URL. And say you are promoting a ClickBank product or another product, you can put either your affiliate link or the actual product address here. Or if you're going to do a thank you page, you would put your thank you page here so that as soon as someone says that they want to get this product, then they would go over here. Now, usually what you want to do anytime you're creating these things is capture someone's email address, because that's your true business asset. If you are just sending directly to the product page or straight to your affiliate link, you're not collecting those email addresses, and then you cannot follow up with your contacts. You're not able to, on the back end, then go back and email about different offers. And actually having an email address is your true asset. That's where you're going to be doing your marketing after the fact. You're going to be providing information. You're going to be providing value. You might market some other products. So it's very important that you have your email address, because let's face it, if you're promoting on like YouTube or Facebook and you've got your group or your following, you know, those services, Facebook and YouTube, any of those social media things, they can shut your account down with no explanation. And then you have totally lost your group. So at least if you are collecting emails, you still are able to contact people and still able to follow up with people. And it's very important, because any of these social media platforms, Google could shut your account down, Facebook can shut your account down, any one of the social media accounts can shut your account down. And so it's going to be very important for your success that you get an email address. So what you're going to want to do is create a pop-up. And so we come over here and say create a new pop-up. Looks like it's empty here, so they've got these templates here that you can use. So you could put an image of your book again right there, or your image. Let's see if we can see a good one here. So what it says here is the pop-up is triggered when someone clicks on an element on a page that you've linked with the pop-up. So you would say, don't leave now without your, let's get rid of this here, without your free ebook. And then we'll say, thanks for your interest. I'm just making stuff up on the spot. This isn't really what you would want to say. Thank you for your interest. I'm just showing you with this how easy it is to modify. And then if you have a newsletter, then you would connect that up here. So if I go here, I would want to configure that button. Button text is, you could say the button text, I want it now, or subscribe to the newsletter. And button action is submit and update. There you go. So here you would have your pop-up. And save and exit. Okay, so now we want to connect this to the pop-up. So we're going to go over here to get free. We want to configure button link to the pop-up. Pop-up 1. Update. So now when someone clicks on that button, they're going to get the pop-up where I can capture their email address, and that email address then will be sent to my autoresponder company. So if you want an image, if you want to change the image, you can choose an image that you're going to upload right here. If you want to put in some alternate text, or if you want to link the image to a URL, you can do that here as well. So you can see how easy this is to change. Now say you want to add another element to this page. So you would come over here to the left hand side and you would say I want to add an element. So say you want, let's see, we don't want another headline. Say we want to put another, maybe, let's see, we want to put a, say we want to put a progress bar. Let's move that over here. So here's the progress bar. So you can click on that and you can edit the position. You can edit what it says. Let's see, or you can make it animated. You can delay when it shows up. Let's see here. So you can say what percentage they are in the funnel, progress 50%. I am thinking I want this more centered. So let's see here. On these things, you can usually, by dragging on these bars, you can change the height. You can change the position. So let's, there we go. I want it a little more centered. There we go. And if I want the whole thing more centered, then I can just drag the whole thing. So whatever is in the highlight area with these boxes, that's what you're going to be affecting with the change. So since I've got this whole box with these other small boxes, this is where I'm going to be moving the whole thing. I'm going to be making it bigger all the way across the page. Progress is 50%, and actually I do want it moved back to the left hand side. Let's go right about there. And okay, so now I've got that. Now this book thing here, let's see if we can move it down a little bit. There we go. So it's not running into my bar. Perfect, perfect. There we go. So that is done there. So we want to save changes. So we've connected up a pop-up, And we have I've shown you the elements and how easy it is to get on there. Again, if you decide that you don't want this element, then just click the trash container and it will go away. Or you can use this backup button here to back up. So a lot of people get really nervous about making changes on funnels, like, oh no, what if I mess it up? Or what if I don't like what I created? Well, you can go in and you can just delete the whole funnel, which is kind of a pain because then you're starting back over it from scratch again. But that's a lot of times that's the way you learn, is by making mistakes as you go along. And any software is going to have a little bit of a learning curve. There's going to be a few little glitches. There's going to be something that maybe doesn't work quite the way I'm showing you here on this video, or as they update the program, there might be some changes that are not going to work quite the way that you thought. So just keep that in mind. No matter what software you're using, there is going to be a little bit of a learning curve. Okay, so we've got that there, and then we want to connect it up to our autoresponder, where we are going to get and hold our email addresses so we can follow up. So I'm going to come over here to the right, and I'm going to go to my integrations. And right now I don't have any integrations, so I'm going to add one. And integration type would be, so these are all the different autoresponders that you can integrate with. Aweber has another, it has a free account. So again, if you are just starting out, Aweber can be a great way for you to get started, not only with a free funnel builder, but a free autoresponder. And you can have up to 500 contacts for free before you need to upgrade. So this is a way that you can really get started totally for free, building your funnel and collecting email addresses. So we're going to go over here and we're going to integrate with Aweber, and then I'm going to click here to authorize my Aweber account. So as I am going through this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video while I log into my Aweber account, and then I can show you how that works. Okay, so I clicked on this to authorize my Aweber account. So the first thing you need to do is create a free Aweber account. So I will put a link to Aweber in the description below. And then when I click this, basically all you're doing is logging into your Aweber account, and just follow the descriptions and it will take you through step by step how to get it integrated. Once you do that, then you're going to click update right here. And I'm going to click add. So you can see here it says, thank you, your Aweber account has been verified. Click update to add the integration. So update, and you can see Aweber has been added over here. So we're going to exit, and so with my pop-up, actually I want to connect it. So on my pop-up one here, submit, I want to configure that. Button action is submit. Great. Update, and update. So in your Aweber account, you also want to create a list that's called whatever it is that you're promoting, and then you'll get to connect that up to your list. So you can see here when I clicked on configure, the form integration was, I clicked on my integration, and the integration that I have now is Aweber, and then this is where you would add your list name, so it would show up on the list. Right now I don't have a list created since this is just a demo video, but I would say create a list called my name, and redirect link is to a URL that I'm promoting. So the person's going to be sent to my autoresponder, their email address is going to be sent to my autoresponder in the background, and then they're going to be sent on to whatever it is that I am promoting. So here we are back at this page. So you can see from this how easy it is to modify your landing page. If you don't like any of the designs, you can start from totally from scratch and just drag and drop different pages or different sections in there. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and delete this demo, and I'm going to create another one that is totally from scratch, not using a template. So you can see here, this is the one that I've been working on. So I'm going to click the 3 dots down here, and I want to delete it so that I can create a new one. Delete. There you go. So now this is back to saying that I can create one more site here. So new site. And I want a blank template. Let's call this demo 2. Although since I deleted the other one, it really doesn't matter. So it's loading in my blank template. And to start with, I'm probably going to want some blocks to put my elements into. So I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side once this is done loading. This is where I'm going to add a block. Let's say you can add a call to action block, contacts, content. So let's add a content box. Add, let's see here, all blocks. Let's add something like this. There we go. So that's how easy it is to start out with a template. And if you don't like a picture, you can delete it and you can upload your own image from your computer. So let's, or if you don't like the background color, you can change that. Container, design, transparency, background, color. Let's go here and say we want it to be orange. So since this is the part that was highlighted, that is the color she's gonna be. So I can make it a 2-tone page or whatever you think is gonna look good. Anything you create, you want to make sure that you test it out well. So make sure that you've got some good pictures of yourself that you can use to put in here. Like I showed you on the previous one, it's very easy to change the type and the color, the text, the size, everything that you want to say in here. And then with, this is the actual opt-in box here, so save my seat. I want this to be the form submit. And let's see here. I want it to be configured. Yeah, I'm fine with save my seat. I want it to submit. There we go, and update. And let's see here. So let's go to my integrations. A Weber. We don't want it, so let's exit. So as you can see, just play around with this stuff until you get it where you want it. So this is the box here. Configure. So click on the, so that the whole box is highlighted. Form integration is, it's an integration. My integration is going to be a Weber. So it's possible to have a couple of email autoresponders loaded in here. And then the list, like I said, since I don't have any lists, I'll just click that one. And then I'm going to redirect to the book that I am promoting, or the ClickBank product that I'm promoting, or on to the next thank you page. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. GrooveFunnels is so easy to use. If you are new to funnel building, just play around with the software. You know, it's through making errors and making mistakes that you're really going to learn. And actually with this software, the learning curve is relatively short. There are some things that you'll probably need to play around with. And if you want to create another page, say you have a thank you page, then you would just go over here to pages, and you would add another page. This does not affect your funnel count, so you can just create a thank you page. You would just click on the template, and then the URL, once they submit here, would then be the URL of your thank you page. And then once you're done with your thank you page, then the URL would be to your whatever it is that you're promoting. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. GrooveFunnels is super easy to use, and I have shown you how you can get started for free with a funnel builder, with an email autoresponder, to start building your business online, to get going and get a good start. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you got value from this, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one.